Hello guys, my name is Samriddhi. So in this video I will explain you about save trees, save plants. So we all know that we are dependent upon the plants. But why plants are important for us and without them why we cannot live? So these all questions I will give you answer in this video. So first of all I will tell you about that how the plants grow. First of all the plants are dependent into a seed. Whenever you will take a seed and throw anywhere, you will see that after some days that seed convert into the baby plant, and then that baby plant will be grow and convert into a adult plants, means trees, like process in our also body. For we also, first of all, we come from the mother's tummy, then we come outside and we become a baby, then we also grow and grow and grow, then we become adult. Like that plants also have same process, but how they grow? Like we also know that our body need nutritions for growing, like protein, vitamin B, vitamin 1, vitamin B1, protein, fiber, etc. Every nutrition we need in our body in a same amount. If you will have that nutritions, then only you can grow your body correctly in the correct pose. So like that there is about plants also. Plants also need the nutritions in the correct way, and then only they will grow. If they will not get plants, they will not get nutritions, then the plants will get dry and they will get die. So we should take care of plants also. We should, if you are growing a plant inside your garden, then you should water them every day. You should water them every day. Like us, every living organisms want water. Like that plants also want water. But how? Because we drink water from our mouth, but they drink water from their roots. Their roots are absorbed in the soil. They kept the water and then they absorb the water. Then when they absorb the water, they goes through the stem, and then stems they goes through the leaf. So like that the leaves also absorb the water, the flowers also absorb the water, the stem also absorb the water, and root also absorb the water. So every body part drink water. So like that. So now we know that how they drink water. Now oxygen and CO2 means carbon dioxide. So we know that we are dependent on the oxygen also. Without oxygen we cannot live. Like that plants also are dependent in the CO2 means carbon dioxide. Without CO2 they cannot live. They breathe CO2 and remove oxygen for us, and we also breathe oxygen and remove CO2 for us, means we both are dependent to each other, because plants want CO2 and we give them CO2, and plants give us oxygen, and plants give us oxygen and we want also oxygen. So we are dependent into plants and they are also dependent. And the next thing is sunlight. So when you will give water, if you are given water, then take a very proper information. This information will be good for the plant's health. First, whenever you doing water for plants, you are giving water, then only put in the sunlight. Do not put in the night, or do not put in the sunrise. You can put in the afternoon in the full sun, because that time the water will get more and more absorbed, and then for taking more nutritions from the sunlight, the soil will be get easily dry. If there is not sunlight, then soil cannot easily dry, and from there the plants cannot absorb the nutritions correctly. So if whenever you are giving water to the plants, then give into the sunlight. Next So this was the three main sources that plants want. Now I will tell that how to save trees, how to save plants, because we are also dependent in the plants. Not only we, you know that animals also depended on the plants. Now you will say, why, how? Animals also are the source of food for us. Then why the animals also depended in the plants? Most of the animals are herbivorous. You know what is herbivorous? Herbivorous means the animals that only eat plants. They eat plants, parts, and they eat only sources of plants. So, they like cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, etc. These all eat plants. So, without them, without them, the other animals like lion, tiger, if they will get die, if they just suppose there is not plants, then the herbivorous cannot have any food, so they will get die. Next is omnivorous. Omnivorous means they eat both plants and meat. If there is no meat like cow, for them the cow, buffalo are meat. So now they have died, and there is not meat also, and there is not plants also. So the omnivorous will also get die. And next, carnivorous. What will happen them? Because any organization is not living in the earth now. So the carnivorous like lion, tiger, they eat only the meat. So now there is nothing animal. Then what they will eat? They will also get die. So every person, every animal is dependent into the plants. So only I am telling that save trees and save plants. So now in last point, I will give you some main topics to help the plants, means save the plants. So first is, do not cut the trees. Many people cut the trees and make them their shopping malls, factories, manufacturing, etc. So this is not a good point. This is a very bad point. If you want to make the shopping malls or anything, then you can make in the flow, in the soil, not make in the plants where the plants are grown. You can make in the only soil. And first and second point is, grow the all sides of the shopping mall trees. It will decorate your shopping mall also, and it will look beautiful also. So every people also, now you can see in Uttarakhand also, you will see that every houses have plants. Why? Because the government of the Uttarakhand has given that if your house is 100%, then the 30% should be covered by the plants. So only if you are not following this rule, then you will get a fine from the government. So we should follow the rules, and not only Uttarakhand, in full India, in full world, we want to follow this thing. Not only the Uttarakhand, in full India, full world, we should follow this. You should plant more and more trees. If you are planting in the basket, then don't plant in the basket, because when the plant will grow, then how you will keep there? Again you want to change the basket. So the main thing, you can grow in the soil, because if they will grow and grow, then there is not any issue for us, because it will grow in that place. If we will grow in the basket, then it will grow and grow, then we want to again change the basket. So these was the for main points to save the trees and the plants. So if you like my video, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my video for more and new interesting videos. Save trees, save plants. Thank you.